Hey everybody, I welcome you back to my channel. Today I've got this very Bobby dolly messy, you know what I'm saying, a very peachy look. It looks more blushy look, whatever. And yeah, this was very fun to film because it was my first time doing like freckles or faking freckles, so I was very much excited to film it. And yeah, basically, and if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. And yeah. I do want to mention that I received more lashes from House of Linda T. I'm so excited. I received 3 of their other lashes. The last time I received 4 or 5 boxes. I don't remember how many boxes I received, but they sent me these 3 again. These are almost like an everyday look as well. Like, they're not that hectic. Yeah, they're not that hectic. Okay, this is that's called yall. That's called all that. Do my eyes not look dark? And that's called audacious. I hope I'm saying it right. I hope I'm saying it right. Do I not look dark under my eyes? I'm about to brighten myself the fuck up because I feel like I look dark under my eyes. Like, my under eyes are dark. One would say it's mascara, but honestly I just don't think it's mascara. Okay, so let's go right into the video. So I can't find my pencil. Okay, so we're gonna go in with my gel as always, the one I've always used. If you guys haven't watched my eyebrow tutorial, make sure you do and go watch it. That's where I tell you guys about how much the products I use for my eyebrows are, and just everything. I feel so weird with this hairstyle on camera. I'm not used to this, guys. This is something really new. Okay, so I'm going in with like an angled brush, and I decided also to not look for the pencil because I really need like precision. That makes sense. Am I even using the right word? Okay, so I'm gonna go into my brows and make strokes. And basically that's it. I'm not gonna do like I hope I don't look like scary. Should I zoom this? Let's zoom. Okay, so I'm just literally making like strokes. I never really understood why people would always say make strokes on your eyebrows, but today I have to do it because this look, I'm into it and I'm for it. I'm mixing my Fawn concealer with my Fit Me in number 20. My Fawn concealer is like the LA Girl one. that's about it for my eyebrows. Not doing anything more than this. Okay, I will not be priming my face because I did moisturize and I also freshened or hydrated my skin with a bit of rose water, so I will not be doing that. Next up, I'm going to be using my Fit Me Maybelline foundation. Okay, I'm just going to my previous makeup tutorial. You guys would have seen that I am actually really loving using this Avon Color Trend concealer in the shade Light. It just, I don't know, it just brings everything together, and I actually think I never liked it. Okay, next up I'm going to be using my Eyebrow Pro Press Powder in the color in the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to do this lightly because the look doesn't have like a very defined, like, it's not like a very defined contouring look, if you get one. Use my Havent luxury powder in Banana, and I'm just gonna put this product under my eye using the same brush I was using to contour my face. Already this look is going the way I wanted to. I must get that I was gonna have a heavy hand on most of the products. Okay, next up we are just going to lightly contour, and I'm using the very same pressed powder I used to contour. I'm also going to run a bit of this product under my lower lash line. Okay, I look very natural. Okay, next up I am going to do like a very slight local liner, nothing, a very natural local liner, and I'm thinking I want to use my Miniso Precise waterproof local liner. This is how it looks, and I'm just going to slightly do like a very natural looking like liner. Okay, anyways, so I'm also going to apply my Maybelline Great Lash mascara. I am going to apply on my lower lashes, but that is later after I put on my lashes. This is a very wispy, laid back look. So I'm going to be applying Miss Thing by Pick Perfect. I've used these before. So I'm going to apply these lashes. They're like so cute. Just I had difficulty putting this one on. Okay, so I have that on. Let's get to the fun part of this makeup look. Okay, we're gonna do freckles. I do not know how they say that word. I'm not even gonna attempt. I'll put it on the screen. So I'm saying I always hear people saying it, but I always forget how to say it. Okay, so next up we are going to do the other things. We are going to apply a whole lot of blush. I never apply blush because your girl is scared of blush. Thing that I use for my eyebrows, this one, and I'm going to go into the brown, and I'm taking this really tiny brush. Like, do you guys see how tiny it is? So it can have like some kind of precision. What's me and this word today? Okay, anyways, so we are going to dot our face. Okay, let me come closer, guys. I don't know if I'm sick or I'm ill or what. So we're gonna do like that. Or like I want a really dark one down there. Tame, I don't know what to say. We're gonna kind of set these freckles. We're gonna set them a bit. And I'm using the same what am I saying? I almost said Ben Naye. I'm using the same luxury banana powder, and I'm just going to tap under my eyes and just over them. Next up, I'm gonna go into my Billion Girls palette, and I'm going to be using this one right here. It's also like an orange, but it's more like a blushy orange. It's more like an orange blushy vibe, something that you'd use as blush. I'm so happy I found this in this palette because I was like, what the hell am I gonna use? Now this girl is orange, guys. Please forgive me if you feel like this orange is a lot, but that's how the look looks. Okay, I need this orange, so we're gonna go into that orange color. Oh, did I just dip into red? What the hell? I think I put way too much this side. But anyways, guys, you guys know the whole idea was to look like a doll. Okay, like a doll. I'm using my Great Lash mascara. Into that one, this one right here, and I'm gonna put it in the inner corners of my eyes. just literally like that. Next up, we are going to be using my Billion Gold lipsticks. I received them a couple of weeks ago. Just my pre lipstick. Okay. I should probably line my lips. I am going to go into my Essence Soft Contouring lip liner in the color Deeply Intoxicated. I'm just gonna line my lips, just so it can give the lipstick that I'm about to apply dimension. Okay, I'm going to number 8. And ooh, these lipsticks are so creamy. Ooh, it's not really funny. Number 7, which is more of an orangey color. Number 7. Oh, it looks okay, guys. We're gonna do it for the sake of doing this look because I did want to try it out. Do you think I look cute though in person? But on camera I just look a lot. My Max Factor lip gloss. My Max Factor lip gloss in the color pink, right? Pink. Glowing pink. And glowing pink. And then I'm going to highlight my face just a little bit with the same gold eyeshadow that I used on the inner corners of my eyes. I'm gonna do the tip of my nose. 2 seconds. Setting spray. Oh, I don't like the taste of that. I do not know how to feel. I think I look very cute. Though I do feel like the pink is a bit of a lot. So I don't know about the pink. But this is a very cute look. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in my next video.